Right.
There we go. Okay, so welcome to night one of Comet classes final project presentations, and Michael will be sharing his presentation with us here in just a moment.
Right. Until I get my stuff in order. Got it. All right. So, okay. Fabian just came. Oh, no.
Yeah.
All right. So anyway, I got to present first because Fabian was fortunate to come later.
That's okay.
And
I know it's always a little confusing when we've got like Pacific time and Eastern time, and there's usually some kind of curveball that happens. But
and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share my screen.
Mm-hmm.
I can share my screen.
There we go.
Share. You can see your screen. Okay. So it's like this. Okay. I hope I haven't broken it. I just made the commit a few seconds ago, 1 minute ago. Okay. So as long as it fulfills the rubric, it's all done. And other things are it's on the eye of the beholder. So like this photo, don't mind that guy. And then I have it here. The requirement was for my name. Then you have the menu. Okay, and then you have about this thing I just made a moment ago. Then we can go to the experience, the skills, projects, connect, messages, and they all work out. Oh, this okay. Me. Then you have a message. Okay, and then you have this footer. Okay, that's what we did for the whole semester, half year, or 5 months. Then the other test is if this could be media queries. So you get this one, while it's wide, I have the full menu. And while you change it to mobile device shape, changes to the hamburger menu, but you can still have the menu available here. So you can still navigate as such. And then if you want to communicate, you go to the footer, and then it goes to my LinkedIn or your LinkedIn, whoever is using. Slack. Well, it's not responsive enough to get Slack. Right? And so on. And wow, time is so fast. That's 5 minutes, I believe.
Yeah, that's perfect. Good job. Thanks so much for sharing, Michael. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
I like all of the varied options you have for your social connections, as far as like Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram. You've got them all there.
Oh yeah, find me in TikTok.
Yep, there you go. Does anybody have any questions about aspects for how Michael built certain things, or any comments that you'd like to share?
I like the colors.
Okay, cool.
Nice.
Yeah, I do like that background color.
You're really proud to put on your picture. Is it really good?
Okay.
Michael, what was the hardest part for you? What was the most challenging?
Oh, everything's challenging. I mean, actually, what happens is you start now. You'd say it's difficult, but for the first week, you still need to put in all of those components. And during that week, it seems so difficult because I was doing some juggling other activities, and and each week you'd say, "Oh, I did that last month. Should be easier right now," but they're all the same effort, and you just have some knowledge for the newer stuff. That's why it becomes so easier. In fact, I was disappointed with this because I just did this a few moments ago, and
Wow.
I know I can polish this, which is more. I think it's less difficult than this menu, but
That's your
Anyway,
CSS. You just need to adjust your
Well,
width and your height. Just
All
do like 100% with auto height, and then that should do it.
sorry, I didn't catch it. I didn't catch it. Okay.
All right. Anybody have
right.
anything else they'd like to add?
yeah,
Michael, I know you didn't catch what Alex said, but maybe you
Yeah.
can catch up with her later. She's a CSS expert. So she can,
I wouldn't say.
All right.
expert,
Cool. Yeah.
but, I was just saying
I
that
mean,
you,
the stretch thing. Okay.
yeah, you
yeah,
just
I'll
have
catch
to
up.
adjust the width and the width and the height of it.
Did you catch that part, Michael?
No, I'm sorry. I didn't.
So she was
it's-
saying if you
it's-
adjust the width to 100% and then the height to auto or vice versa, then it'll keep your image from being stretched out in a different way.
To 100%. Okay. Okay. Really? Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the height auto.
Yeah,
Let me try that.
exactly.
Now?
If you can try it later if you'd like to, we can move on to Fabian's presentation if that's
it's
cool.
fine. I think we have time. I think we have time. I would like to see.
Fabian? Okay.
maybe you, Michael, you can work on it while Fabian's doing his
All right. Sure.
presentation, then you
Okay.
can
That's a good
show us at the
idea.
end.
All right. Thank you.
Sure, thank you. All right, Fabian, you're up next. So you'll screen share and then just kind of walk us through, just like Michael was doing, as far as what you've got on your site. And if you want to share your the actual files, your code, then you're welcome to share that too if you like.
One second.
Mhm.
There we go. Can you see it? Yeah. So, okay. So I was going to put on a video, but I say, oh no. I just try to keep clean the website because I don't know, I like the colors. So, but the video was in gray scales, but yeah, it was like a picture of me, but like showing in small motion, but was nice. But I didn't put them, so I just keep this banner and this logo. Let's see. So the option, the different links, so move like a pop-up a little bit. So this one, the links, change the colors in my projects. Change to gray to black. I think it's a dark gray because I just skip the gray, different kind of grays. So just put on for social media. So yeah, sorry, 3 social media and also for contact me. You want to send me an email? It's really tricky with. Okay. My GitHub is working. Oh, oh, I lost that. Sorry. Also, I publish in GitHub pages. I search how to do it. It's this link. I don't know. You can see the links. Yeah. Okay. So, or is also responsive too. You want to put on iPad, iPhone X. Also, I had a trouble when before when for example I want to see experience. I can see the experience just show out like this, but now I fix it. I search. I got a option in CS do a little bit space when you put on the links when the toolbar is sticky. I don't know. I like the cleanness, so I like the colors. I would like to put more color, but I feel black and white. The colors, keep the colors is going to be really good. I don't want to put on too much context. Maybe I can put on next time. I can put on maybe pictures on my projects. Maybe that thing is going to be really cool, or videos about my different projects. Yeah, but mostly is that thing I was working. I don't know if you have any questions.
Do you mind using your leave a message section and show us how that works?
Ah, okay. I'm sorry. I didn't do it. Mm. 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 Here is the message. So keep the colors gray. If I want to edit the message, maybe I forgot to put on my name or my phone. Save. Yeah. Also the link is working for if I want to send the email to the person. I want to remove it, also is working. Also the links for my project is working too. Here I want to see my projects. I take out the borders because honestly I don't like the borders, so I put on just gray. Yeah, mostly all the links working. I feel is a nice website. It's a nice portfolio.
Yeah, very good job. Thank you for sharing it with
Thank
us.
you so much.
Does anybody have any
Um,
questions or comments or anything?
No, I think I really appreciate your time, honestly. So yeah, and also the mentors were there was really nice with me. Where yeah, I really appreciated that.
Wonderful. That's good to hear. That's what we're here for.
Yeah.
Fabian, what was the hardest part for you?
The hardest time I think is the time, honestly, because I had a work. So for example, when you say, oh, you can show out your work this now, I say, oh, okay, because suppose I ask for the day off today for that. But yeah, I understand, because sometimes yeah, things happen. So yeah, I think the time is the harder thing. I feel I would like to spend more time, because I feel that I can make better things. Yeah.
It's never ending, right? You can always,
Yeah,
do
exactly.
more. You can always do more. It's a very interesting, it has a really interesting look. The way you designed it, it's really cool.
Oh, thank you so much.
All right. Well, that was everybody that we had signed up for this evening for presenting. So thank you both for showing all the hard work that you've put in. We really appreciate it. And we'll be sharing the recording on your class channel, so your peers can also see all of your hard work that you've put into your portfolios. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording.
Okay.